I understand that preparing for surgery can often seem like a daunting task, but I'm fortunate to have a good team around me that will help walk you through the steps of preparing for surgery. So things like getting insurance verification and understanding what cost estimates will be often take a little bit of time and some back and forth with an insurance company. But we have a good team and experience doing that. Often my office staff will be in touch in terms of trying to set up physical therapy in advance if we know that it's something that needs to get in relatively quickly afterwards. And also we'll try to talk to you at your preoperative visit about what to do before surgery. Things like if you are on a physical therapy program, keeping up with those activities, or if you're doing some rehabilitation, coming into surgery as tuned up and strong as you can be. Sometimes there are medications and things that need to be managed or adjusted around surgery, and we'll make sure to communicate that to you as well. One of the sort of very, very common things that we can say is, for example, with any sort of orthopedic condition or surgery, there are some things people always ask, well, what can I do to heal better or heal faster? And sometimes they say is don't take up smoking cigarettes or tobacco, or in many cases if you're a smoker and need to have surgery, we'll ask you to quit smoking for surgery because it's good for your health, and it's really important in terms of how you recover. There are some conditions like rotator cuff tears in the shoulder, for example, where we know that smoking is an independent risk factor for developing a tear. So if you have a tear and you need to have it fixed, then you don't want to be smoking and doing something that will interfere with healing and recovery, or may increase the chance of having a re-tear in the future. We really will try to stay current with knowledge and talk you through all these things and do everything we can to try to get you an optimal outcome and make the process as seamless as possible.